Australia is a multicultural country with a diverse and vibrant culinary scene. From fresh seafood and barbecue meats to fusion cuisine and artisanal coffee, Australia offers a rich and flavorful food culture that reflects its history and geography. From fresh seafood and barbecue meats to fusion cuisine and artisanal coffee, Australia offers a rich and flavorful food culture that reflects its history and geography. In this essay, we will explore some of the most iconic and unique foods of Australia. Seafood. Given its location surrounded by water, it's no surprise that seafood is a big part of Australian cuisine. From fresh prawns and lobsters to oysters and fish, there are plenty of delicious seafood options to try. One iconic seafood dish is the Australian classic, fish and chips. This meal consists of battered or crumbed fish, typically flake or barramundi, served with hot chips and a side of tartar sauce. Barbecue. Barbecue is a quintessential part of Australian culture, and Australians take it seriously. From backyard barbecues to beachside picnics, barbecued meats are a staple of Australian cuisine. One popular dish is the sausage sizzle, which is a sausage cooked on a barbecue and served on a slice of white bread with tomato sauce. Another classic is the steak, typically served with a side of salad or vegetables. Lamingtons. Lamingtons are a sweet treat that are beloved by Australians. These small sponge cakes are coated in chocolate and desiccated coconut, and are often filled with jam or cream. They are a popular dessert at Australian cafes and bakeries, and are a great accompaniment to a cup of tea or coffee. Meat pies. Meat pies are another iconic Australian dish that can be found in bakeries and cafes throughout the country. These savory pies are filled with minced beef and gravy, and are typically topped with tomato sauce. They are a hearty and satisfying meal that is perfect for a quick lunch or snack on the go. Pavlova. Pavlova is a dessert that is claimed by both Australia and New Zealand, but is a beloved dish in Australia. This meringue-based dessert is typically topped with whipped cream and fresh fruit, such as strawberries, kiwi, and passion fruit. This meringue-based dessert is typically topped with whipped cream and fresh fruit, such as strawberries, kiwi, and passion fruit. It is a light and refreshing dessert that is perfect for a hot summer day. Coffee. Australia has a thriving coffee culture,